In front of me is CUBOT X20, and let me show you how to manage text-to-speech feature. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Languages and Input. And then enroll Advanced Options and click on Text-to-Speech Output. And at first you can manage language, so just click on language to pick the one that you would like to apply. And here you can change speech rate and pitch. Then play to listen to it. You can also reset speech rate and pitch by tapping on Reset. Now it's the default setup with picked language, and let me click on Play to listen how it works and the default values.
Dette er et eksempel på talesyntese på dansk.
And this is it. Obviously you can change language and rate and pitch whenever you want to, and that would be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.